Betelgeuse, Betelgeuse, Betelgeuse. No, it's not a ghost we're summoning, but a red supergiant star poised for a spectacular finale. Let's set our cosmic compass and travel 700 light years away from our humble abode, Earth. We're headed towards the Orion constellation, where the second brightest star, Betelgeuse, resides. This isn't just any ordinary star. Oh no, Betelgeuse is a red supergiant, a celestial body that has exhausted its primary nuclear fuel and is on the brink of a dramatic demise. Now, when we say giant, we're not exaggerating. Betelgeuse is immense, with a radius about 700 times that of our Sun. To give you a sense of scale, if we were to replace our Sun with Betelgeuse, it would engulf all the planets up to Jupiter. That's right. This red supergiant is roughly 1 billion kilometers in diameter. The sheer size of Betelgeuse isn't its only claim to fame, though. It's also a variable star, which means its brightness fluctuates over time. It's these fluctuations that have caught the attention of astronomers worldwide, leading to speculation that Betelgeuse is nearing the end of its life. You see, stars like Betelgeuse don't go gentle into that good night. Instead, they go out with a bang, exploding in a supernova that outshines entire galaxies for weeks, even months. The energy released during this cataclysmic event is so vast, it's almost beyond human comprehension. And the most exciting part? Given the time it takes light to reach us from Betelgeuse, this explosion might have already happened. That's right, while we've been down here, living our lives, a celestial fireworks display of epic proportions could be racing towards us at the speed of light. In the cosmic blink of an eye, Betelgeuse will explode in a supernova, and it might have already happened. So keep your eyes on the sky, folks. The greatest show in the galaxy could start at any moment. Predicting a supernova is like playing cosmic roulette. The stakes are high and the odds astronomically difficult to calculate. Delving into the complexities of predicting supernova is like trying to navigate a labyrinth in the dark. Each twist and turn represents a variable, a new piece of the puzzle that needs to be painstakingly fitted into the grand image of stellar evolution. First off, let's consider the sheer scale we're dealing with. Picture one supernova event per galaxy per century. Now, that might not seem like a lot, but when you consider that there are around 100 billion stars in our Milky Way alone, the enormity of the task becomes apparent. Indeed, it's not just about the numbers. It's about the variables, the uncertainties, the unknowns. Even the most precise calculations can be thrown off by the merest flutter in the cosmic breeze. For instance, the type of star, its age, its mass, its chemical composition, and other factors can all influence when and how a star will go supernova. Now let's talk data. We know that a star like Betelgeuse, a red supergiant, has a lifespan of about 8 to 9 million years. But the exact timing of its transition to supernova is cloaked in mystery. This is due to our still developing understanding of stellar evolution and the numerous variables at play. Each star is a unique entity, a cosmic snowflake, if you will, and the path it follows in its life and death throes is a one-of-a-kind cosmic tale. This makes the prediction of a supernova event a task of near Herculean proportions. To put it simply, predicting a supernova is not just a matter of crunching numbers. It's a process of continuous learning, of probing the mysteries of the cosmos and constantly refining our understanding of the universe and our place within it. So, while we can't say exactly when Betelgeuse will go supernova, we can say with certainty that it's on the brink. Betelgeuse has been acting strange lately, and astronomers believe these are signs of its impending supernova. Lately, Betelgeuse, the red supergiant in the constellation Orion, has been the center of astronomical gossip. Why, you ask? Because it's been dimming and brightening in a way that's got everyone's attention. Betelgeuse has always been a variable star, meaning its brightness fluctuates. But the recent episodes of dimming and brightening have been more extreme than usual. Some scientists suggest this could be a sign of an impending supernova. Let's dig into the numbers a bit. Over the past 2 years, Betelgeuse's brightness has dropped to around 36% of its normal luminosity. That's quite a dip. Then it bounced back to its usual shine. But the story doesn't end there. After a while, it dimmed again, this time to around 50% of its normal brightness. This roller coaster ride of luminosity has left astronomers scratching their heads. So, what could be causing these strange light patterns? There are a few theories. One possibility is that Betelgeuse is going through a phase of increased dust production. As the star expands and cools, it sheds material that can condense into dust. This dust can obscure the star's light, making it appear dimmer from our perspective on Earth. Another theory posits that gigantic convection cells on Betelgeuse's surface are to blame. These cells carry hot plasma from the star's interior to its surface, where it cools and sinks back down. This process can cause brightness variations. However, the most tantalizing theory is that these fluctuations signal the star's impending death. As a star runs out of fuel, it becomes unstable. This instability can lead to dramatic changes in brightness, potentially culminating in a supernova. But remember, Betelgeuse is around 640 light-years away, so what we're seeing now actually happened centuries ago. We're just waiting for the light show to reach us. These erratic light patterns might be the star's final farewell before it explodes in a brilliant supernova. When Betelgeuse does explode, it will be a sight to behold. A supernova, especially one as close as Betelgeuse, is not just a flash in the pan. It's a celestial fireworks show that will light up our sky, even in broad daylight. Imagine, if you will, a star that suddenly becomes so bright that it can outshine the moon. It's a spectacle that is both breathtaking and a little terrifying, reminding us of the tremendous forces at work in the universe. The explosion of Betelgeuse will be a supernova, a phenomenon that marks the end of a star's life cycle with an incredible display of light and energy. Supernovae are the universe's grandest fireworks displays. They occur when a star has exhausted its nuclear fuel and collapses under its own gravity. The resulting explosion releases a staggering amount of energy, around 10 to the power of 44 joules. To give you some perspective, that's more energy than our sun will produce over its entire 10 billion-year lifespan. And for a brief period, this single exploding star can outshine an entire galaxy. Now let's talk about Betelgeuse. It's one of the most well-known stars in our night sky, a red supergiant located about 640 light-years away in the constellation Orion. When it goes supernova, it will be a once-in-a-lifetime event. The last time humans witnessed a supernova with the naked eye was over 400 years ago, in the year 1604. Betelgeuse's supernova will be so bright, it will be visible from Earth even during the day. For a few weeks it will shine in the sky, a brilliant point of light that will outshine all but the sun and the moon. And then, as quickly as it appeared, it will fade away, leaving behind only a nebulous remnant and a memory of its brilliance. For a few weeks, Betelgeuse will be one of the brightest objects in the sky, a testament to the star's explosive end. Betelgeuse's supernova won't just be a spectacle in the sky, it will also leave behind a cosmic legacy. You see, the aftermath of a supernova isn't just a blanket of silence and darkness. In fact, it's quite the opposite. The colossal explosion gives birth to either a neutron star or a black hole, depending on the star's mass. But that's not all. The supernova also scatters heavy elements across the cosmos. What are these elements, you ask? Well, they are nothing less than the building blocks of new stars and planets, the very essence of life as we know it. These elements, forged in the heart of a dying star, are cast across the universe, and where they land, new celestial bodies may form. This process is a testament to the intricate dance of creation and destruction that governs our cosmos. Betelgeuse's end is just the beginning of a new cosmic story.